Hi guys! Today we will learn how to back up WordPress website in Hostinger. So let's start the process and watch it carefully. The first thing is head over to your Hostinger, and once you will be there, you will see this kind of interface. And you will see multiple options on the top. But I zoomed in a bit, so that's why the options are not available. And currently I am on the H panel of Hostinger from here. Take a look on the right top. You can see 3 lines. Click on these 3 lines. After clicking on it, click on the second option, websites. Once you will get access to all of your sites, which you have from here, you have to select the WordPress website. The first one is my WordPress website. Now in order to create a backup, I need to click on the option Manage. Once I will click on it, I will get access to the dashboard of this site from here. Just scroll down a bit, and on the left side you will see different options. Click on the files, and in the files you have to select the option Backups. Once you will get access to your backup. 3 options you will see there: Restore Website, File Backups, All Database Backup from here. Select the second option, File Backup. Once you will the option, it'll be scroll to the down automatically. And here you need to choose the backup day. Just like I will choose this date. After choosing, click on the option Next Setup. In Next Setup, check this box and click on the option Download All Files. After clicking on it, it will prepare all the files and you can see it's finished now. Tap on the option Download Backup. And this backup will be downloaded, but it's not finished yet. Just came back to the backup option, where you see 3 options. Now here, click on the option Database Backup. It will be scroll down automatically. And here choose the database just like me. And now I will click on this Show Database, check this box, and tap on the option Download. Alternatively, you can click on the option to restore. But like we want to download database, I will click on the icon Download. And you can see now it's preparing for download, and it is finished. So I will click on the option Download Backup. You can see both backups are downloaded successfully, and you complete the backup of your WordPress, and that's it.